bitano ofisi y'umwebembezi w'ihanga eteireho umuringo ogwo bitongore bya government yokorwa bekanjurira abantu ahi basitya no gukora emirimo yabyo omwaka ogu ekibetsire NRM Manifesto Week ahantu hebitongore byona mbere kushomera abanya-Uganda umuringo ogwo bakoziremu emirimo. Minister Fred Bakama omukwaye report y'ekitongore eki yashoborera ngo ekintu ekiremeise ekitongore kugumanyikyereza emirimo yakyo ombwire no kugira ngo abantu abaingi nibashaba ekitongore sente nyamwingi omwanya gwo kwakaita sente omu bintu ebibakukozesa omu kukora emirimo yakyo ebirimu amataka ag'enguuto zirikurabamu.
These projects, an individual comes up, request for, I can call it abnormal amount which the person needs because he or she has loans in the banks and feels through this loop of compensation can get something, and at the end of the day the projects are being affected.
Yamukama nagira ngu nka government bariyo nibakora ekirikubasika okurebeka ngu batekaho ekiragiro ekiragume kibahwera okukozesa ebintu ebi bwanyuma bakashashara aha muheru ekintu ekiragume kikarahutyaho emirimo ya government.
We should negotiate with the community that on these projects you give us permission, we do projects, then the government can work backwards to see how they can, not necessarily compensating, but kusumbusa. If you have your house like this here, government can equally construct the same house somewhere. We have seen that in other countries.
Ahantu ho yayongera akashoborera ngo nk'ekitongore bariyo nibakora ekirikubasika kurebeka ngu baihaho za bodaboda ahagati y'orurembo rwa Kampala omuringo gwo kucendeeza obuhenda biragiro oburukorwa ba bodaboda obukwatire musheke omu bwire obu.
Most of these people doing bodaboda business in Kampala, they are hiding through. These are people, some of them who did defilement from Kasese, they ran out from police. Some of them, they have been stealing and the police is hunting for them. Some of them ran out from prison. Some of these ones are wrongdoers, they are killers. They killed people in villages, took their motorcycles, they came in Kampala. At one time, still the kind of behavior keeps on coming. However, we have a few who are really into the business of boda.
Ogu yashomera abantu bimwe bintu ebibahereze kukora nk'ekitongore ekintu ekirikworeka ngu tubashitami ngu kandi ebitakakozirwe bariyo nibakora ekirikubasika okurebeka ngu babimaririza omu bwire.
Detailed report of what the ministry has done in this period from 2021 up to where we are, and we have hope that even the remaining things a few shall complete them by 2026.
Wanyuma ya Fred Byamukama kwaye bukozirwe World Permanent Secretary ow'ekitongore eki Nduku Richard yashoborera bimwe abizibu ebibarikubugana nk'ekitongore.
The IDs program also was greatly affected by the COVID pandemic, and this pandemic really affected our performance, especially on the road construction where there was lockdown and everything was at standstill. Now the other challenge the program faces the inclement weather. After working on these beautiful roads, especially the unpaved ones, we've experienced heavy rains now, which have slowed the progress in the construction, and at times the roads are cut off. So
Gashakwa Ronald Ngabirano, our Sky Television again show.